Alright, what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of the MotoGP trip. So we are literally riding out to Moto right now. Went and got some good breakfast this morning. Got a little workout in this morning with the boys. Decided to get out to the track and start partaking in the MotoGP festivities. We're also doing something a little sneaky. So these guys had special parking because they bought the cycle corral, which was sold out when I got my ticket. So I wasn't able to get that with them. Anyways, what that cycle corral includes though is a commemorative lap on the track, which I'm not going to be able to do that. But you also get special parking in lot D. Now we didn't go yesterday, which was Friday. So what we've done is I'm using one of their Friday parking passes to see if I can't get into the parking lot with them, so that I can park up with the homies. I'll just kind of play dumb or something like that, say that I didn't swap this out from yesterday. All the roads out here in Austin are super curvy. I don't know why it's set up like this, but it's cool. Only problem with this road is it's got a lot of waves and bumps in it. Yeah, look at that. It's funny when you're on a bike, sometimes you go faster than the GPS can keep track of where you're at. So you have to kind of sit there and wait to figure out what exit you're supposed to take. Oh shit, Brandon's parking pass is about to fly away. Holy shit. Yeah, it's damn parking pass. Alright, I guess he's just gonna hold it the whole way there. Oh shit. I was trying to get Max to slow down so he can put it in his pocket. Holy shit. Looks like he got it. Anyways, today when we get out here, the sprint race is like 2 o'clock. I think we're going to get there around 11. Still have plenty of time to kind of go around, check out all the different booths and stuff like that, and watch the race. We got him cruising. You got to get over in the left lane. Yeah, his fucking tag flew off. Crazy. Fucking wild shit. Dripping them dank wheelies. Ooh. Get on the damn brakes. Shit ton of cyclists out. MotoGP, baby. Hell yeah. Ready to hear some crazy horsepower bikes. Ooh. Holy shit. Look at that. I just caught a nut that one of these guys threw up in my fucking hand. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Looks like we may be hitting all the traffic from everybody going out to the track. Unless this is just a busy area. What the fuck is he doing? What are you doing?
We got on the toll road and we shouldn't have got on the toll road. There's no exit, so we had to go and fucking come around.
We're doing a hell of a lot of sitting at stoplights down here in Austin, that's for sure. That old lumpy race idle. We're coming to the front of the line, people. Yeah, Max, get the lean going there. I guess we missed our exit when we were coming off the interstate. Holy shit, look at these helicopters. Those Blackhawks? That's pretty badass. Anyways, back there, I guess we missed our exit coming off the interstate, so we're kind of backtracking now. Every single place that we tried to go to down here, we always either miss our exit or have the wrong address or something. We have to take little detours. It's funny. Just an excuse to ride a little more though. Nothing wrong with that. Certainly nothing wrong with that. Look at these curves that's coming up. Nice. Picked up a couple extra riders behind us. Thank you. Yeah, this is a nice little ride out here to the track. Here we are, baby, look at that! Circuit of Americas, very nice. There it is. For the Red Bull Grand Prix. Oh man, look at how many bikes are up here. That's the observatory at the top of the track. That looks dope. You can like go up there and see the whole track from above. I think lot H is the free motorcycle parking. That's where we may end up if this little trick here doesn't work out to get me into lot D. We will see. Yeah, free motorcycle parking over there. That's what it is. This is cool. Very, very cool. Hey, is that Will Kid Hill? I think it is. I think Will Kid Hill. It looks like him. Here's the turn 12 grandstand. Huh? Hell yeah, we made it in, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Infiltrated the lot D exclusive parking. That's what I like to see, baby. Let's go. I'm in here like swimmer, baby.
Did they didn't even check?
No, fuck no. Hell yeah. Alright, the boys made it. It's better to be leaning against the kickstand, right? Do I need to diagonal mine up too? You like that better?
There's so many fucking motorcycles.
Dude, there's a lot. I kinda wanna go check out the parking lot at some point. It's badass.
What is up, my dude? How are you?
Alright, man. Nice to meet you, brother.
You as well.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm rolling out of here, leaving Circuits of America. Those guys are going to do the commemorative lap. Had a blast on day 2. Alright, anyways, I was having trouble navigating my way out of the racetrack. Had a blast out at MotoGP day 2. Watched the sprint race, watched a bunch of qualifying. Got to hang out with the dudes, check out all the different tents and stuff like that. It was a blast. Met some really cool people. I actually ran into a couple other dudes on MVs. Brandon and Max actually stayed back at the track. They're doing the parade lap. That's part of the Cycle Crowd package that they bought. Like I said, I just was able to sneak into the parking with them, which is the main thing that I cared about, just parking with my homies, not having to get all split up and walk around and whatnot. So that was fantastic. Maybe next year we'll do the parade lap and moto vlog that. Alright, you check out the bike real quick. I made it back here to the B&B. Gonna pop in, take a shower. Next we're gonna go to the handbelt show this evening. That may be a separate moto vlog, or that may be a continuation of this one. We'll see what I end up doing with that.